Have you ever heard that if you want success and if you want wealth in your life and you want things in your life, you need to sacrifice? If you have heard it, I did too. But at that time, I didn't understand the meaning of sacrifice and letting go. I used to think sacrifice mean I need to let go of something that I truly love. In some cases, that is true, but most of the cases it is not. When I heard about sacrifice, you know what I used to think? That, oh, I need to let go of people I love, I need to let go of my time, I need to sacrifice things that I love. Because when you hear the word sacrifice, it used to make me feel like I need to put my happiness aside, which was not true. In the process of letting go, in the process of sacrifice, learned something. When think of yourself as a child or maybe as a person, and now you have two hands and you are holding a cup, you are holding a keychain, you are also holding keys of your car or your home, and in this hand you are also holding things like mobile phones, covers or clothes, things like that. And now your both of your hands are full. Okay, there is no space to hold something, there is no space to hold more things. And now you are asking God, please give me this gift, please give me this box of earrings. I want diamond earrings. It means something big, something special. But now God is like, okay, I'm standing here, take it. But you are holding on to so many things already. How are you going to hold it? How are you going to hold it? If God gives you that earring box even now, you will might like do it like this and you will try to hold it, and instead of holding it properly, you will end up dropping it. You are going to end up dropping it, and God doesn't want you to do that. Now let's come back to the real life scenarios. When you are holding to the peoples who doesn't love you, who doesn't pour into you the way you do to them, you are holding on to the old beliefs that no longer serves you, beliefs that were taught to you in your childhood when you were so young, when you didn't understand anything about life, and you are still holding on to them. Now there are things that are in your life, they are just taking space, but they are doing nothing for you, they are not serving you. So God says, let go. Create space, create space so that I can put something beautiful in there. Please when a farmer wants to sow the seed, first he needs to clear out the land, he needs to create the space for new plants to grow. And that's what happens with life as well. You need to let go of the things. It could be people who makes you feel small, people who makes you shrink, who says that you are not good enough. Please let go of them. The beliefs that you are not enough, beliefs that you cannot succeed, beliefs that money is not made for you, beliefs that, oh, why would nobody is going to love me, everybody is going to abandon me, beliefs like those, please let go of them. I request it. And create some space, some sacred space, and ask God, see, I'm creating the space. Please place the beautiful things that I deserve in my life, the things that I like. And it shifted, didn't it? First, I used to think that, oh, sacrifices means something I need to let go of something that I love. It reached, no, I need to let go of the things that are draining me, that are not doing anything for me, that are not pouring into me the way I pour into them. So you save your energy and then you put it into the places where it can grow and it can give you back. Thank you so much for listening to me. If you like my content, please share, please follow, please subscribe, and please make sure to like this video. Follow for more content. Bye bye.